Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return online. Filing your taxes electronically offers many advantages, including increased accuracy and faster refunds, often within 21 days if you choose direct deposit. You'll also need to decide if free or paid tax software is right for your situation. Finally, gathering all your documents beforehand, such as W-2 and Form 1099, is a crucial first step. When choosing your filing method, remember that free online tax services are often available if your adjusted gross income is below $84,000. These are great for simple returns. For more complex situations, paid software provides comprehensive features and expert assistance. Regardless of your choice, ensure you have all income statements, like W-2, and records for any deductions or credits you plan to claim. Now, let's walk through the online filing process. First, you'll create an account with your chosen software and securely enter all your personal and financial information. The software will guide you, often pre-filling some data. Next, it's vital to review your entire return for accuracy to avoid errors that could delay your refund. Finally, electronically sign and submit your return. You'll typically receive a confirmation within minutes. After successfully submitting your tax return, you'll receive an acceptance confirmation, often via email, within a short period. It's important to keep copies of your filed return and all supporting documents, like receipts and W-2s, for at least 3 years. This helps if the IRS has any questions later. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. You can also track your refund status online or via phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.